For our next module in our Learn to Skate course, we are going to review stopping. Again, we have our inside edges, the inside of our feet, and our outside edges, the outside of our feet. For stopping and figure skating, the first stop we'll learn is called a Snowplow Stop. This will involve the use of our inside edges. First, we'll try the standstill. We can try it at the wall as well. That could really help. I like to think about a cupcake analogy. We're going to try to apply a slight inside edge pressure, moderate pressure. So it's kind of like you're scraping the icing off of a cupcake. You don't want to push your edge into the ice too hard, because if you scrape icing off a cupcake and you press too hard, you might smash the cupcake. And you don't want to push too lightly, because then you won't be able to come to a stop. Likewise, with our cupcake analogy, we won't be able to scrape any. Feet are under the hips. We're pretending that we're finishing up a 2-foot glide and slowing down. Bend, turn your toe in. We're going to use the middle of our blade, slightly lean the blade, and we're going to try to come to a stop. So try to get this skidding action. Remember, pushing too lightly, we won't stop. Pushing too hard, we'll get stuck or won't move. So bend and even gradual pressure. We have our home base upper body position, chest and head, eyes are up. I think about our belly button up too. That way we can avoid any type of forward lean. Any type of forward lean or break at the waist will throw off our balance and make it much more difficult to stop. I slide to about slightly wider than shoulder width apart. My toes turn in as my heels start to turn out. And you can even angle that a little bit. So as I continue to keep skidding, I'm going to create some snow, hence the Snowplow Stop name. We want to try on both feet. Everyone will have a dominant foot. That's pretty normal. So on your less dominant foot, try to practice a bit more. So bend, come to a full stop. Bending is really important, so we want to bend, skid, and try to stay bent. My center of gravity is between my feet, and I do have weight on both feet. Something common I see, if you throw all your weight into your sliding foot, then you'll also lose your balance that way. So remember to keep your center of gravity in the middle to stop, and keep the weight on both feet. So we practice with our right foot and our left foot. You also want to practice with both feet. So bend, gradually push your feet out. Again, it's a gradual motion. We don't want to be too fast. It makes it harder to get that skid effect. So bend, slowly come to a stop. Keep sitting back into those hips until you come to a full stop. Then you can stand up. Bend, stop, then rise up in your knee. When these feel comfortable, stand still. Let's add a little bit of speed. We're going to march our skate forwards, come to a 2-foot glide and slow down. That way we're aligned. So it's skating, remember, head over shoulders, over hips, over skates. Then we can bend and start to come to a stop. I do find it's easiest to try a 1-foot snowplow stop first, so we'll try with our dominant foot. Forward skating, glide, bend, stop. Glide, bend down, start to sit into those hips, then stand up. Remember to switch feet. Try your left. Try both feet. And we can also make this into a little game. So if I go side to side, stop on my right, stop on my left, skate forwards, stop with both, and you can repeat that. We like to be ambidextrous in skating, so left, right, both feet. Remember to practice your non-dominant side a bit more. So put it all together. Right foot, glide, bend, left foot, glide, bend, both feet. And I'm using about the middle of my blade. Another exercise we can do is isolating the stop on one foot. So if my feet are about shoulder width apart, bend hips back, get my skidding motion, bring my feet together, skid, feet together. That way I can keep isolating my foot and I can go back to the other side. Bend, push, feet together. I'm aligned in my 2-foot glide position. Bend, push, feet together. And this exercise really helps you build awareness about where your center of gravity is. Stopping's a tricky skill. It's one of those that takes a little bit of time to master, but once you get it, it's solid and you have it. So this is something you'll have to practice every session. So for my new beginners, when they first warm up and skate, I have them practice stops every single session as a warm-up. Don't give up, keep practicing left, right, and both feet. Common errors with the Snowplow Stop: shoulders and upper body stay square to the direction of travel. So if I'm trying to stop that way, my shoulders and my head are gonna face this way and come to a stop. The moment I break at my waist or start to twist, that's when it'll become much more difficult to come to a stop, and that'll also make me lose my balance or potentially fall. So remember, upper body, the more upright you stay in skating, or you can even think about, I'm a statue, belly button up is like a statue that's frozen in time and can't move. You'll have a much easier time mastering these stops.